Us gearheads and hot rodders are always looking to improve the performance of our projects, and one of the easiest upgrades to perform and not break the bank is the ignition system. Stock ignition systems just don't cut it for performance use, and bad systems can even create problems like hard starting, hesitation during acceleration, poor fuel mileage, fouled spark plugs, the list goes on.
A high-quality ignition system can eliminate all of those issues. Today we're going to go over one that is designed to work together and sold as a kit. It's Pertronix digital HP bundle that comes with a Flame-Thrower Billet distributor with a magnetic trigger, an HP Flame-Thrower coil that has 50,000 volts, and their digital HP CDI ignition box.
The distributor is easy to change, but there are a couple of things that you need to be aware of. First, the rotor has to be in the right position when it goes back in. And an easy way to do that is to rotate the engine to TDC on #1 cylinder on a compression stroke. Also, it's important to have a fresh gasket between the distributor base and the intake manifold. Not only does it keep it from leaking oil, it helps set the depth of the gear in the camshaft. And last but not least, make sure that the distributor gear is well lubricated. Pertronix Flame-Thrower distributors have a polished billet aluminum housing that can be ordered with either a red or black distributor cap. And this one has a vacuum advance that is equipped with a lockout provision if you want to run it in that configuration. With the cap out of the way, you can see their high-quality rotor, plus the precision magnetic pickup coil and reluctor, which are super accurate at both low and high RPM. And there's no special wiring needed for hookup. It has a standard CDI connector.
The Flame-Thrower coil speaks for itself. The HP stands for high power, which is exactly what this coil has. Now, it also meets the demands of high RPM CD ignitions with a larger epoxy encapsulated coil body, a more substantial steel E-core, and a 6063 T5 aluminum heatsink. This box is in a small package, but it packs a big punch. With 187 millijoules of spark output, which is 30% more than the competition. It has an RPM activated trigger, 3-step digital rev limiter, and multiple spark all the way to redline. It also has an adjustable start retard and several other features which you can find on their website.
This bundle is a great value with a retail price of $371.99, and that's over $100 in savings over buying these components individually.
There are also add-ons like these Flame-Thrower 8mm wires with ceramic boots to round out the entire setup. Now, we hope this helps you decide on your next ignition purchase.